began the journey of my life with a great confusion. I have a burning desire inside of me to affect my world positively, but I don't know who to help me. Until I met a man who showed me the right path in destiny. Just as a wise man said, that who you follow determines what follows you. And for you to fly further in destiny, you need a good father. This is a man that anytime I'm confused in life, a word from him is like a cold water to my soul. My destiny in life would have been a chaos or a tragedy without this man. I am talking about my father, my mentor, my coach, my director, my defender, my pastor. I want the whole world to join me to celebrate an icon, a professor of prophecy, a preacher, a founder, a teacher. Join me to celebrate my father, Apostle, Professor Johnson Suleiman. Daddy, we love you.